Melissa Albert, your host of the American Dream here in beautiful Bowling Green, Kentucky. Today I'm going to take you inside this custom-built home and show you what makes this home so remarkable. But before we go inside, let's go up to the clubhouse for Old Stone and see what makes this community so special. Hi Jim, so great to see you.
Great to see you.
So thank you for allowing us to come out and tour Old Stone today. What inspired you to build Old Stone?
My wife and I travel quite a bit, and we both play golf, and we go to different golf communities. We had friends that owned golf communities, and I just wanted to bring a community like this to Bowling Green.
Well, it's certainly an asset to our neighborhood and our community here, and we are just excited to tour it today. I know you've had some special events that you've hosted here. What's been your favorite one to date?
The Junior Ryder Cup, and that's where the Americans won, and all the winners jumped in the lake.
Can you tell me, what's the future look like for Old Stone?
It looks great. It's just like being here in Bowling Green. Bowling Green is a fabulous town, and Old Stone move along with Bowling Green and help each other.
They're both growing leaps and bounds.
They sure are.
You've grown a lot, and I know you've added a lot of really special amenities. Brenner's going to show us around.
She sure is.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Jim. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Hi, Brenner. So good to see you.
Hi, I'm so glad to have you here.
Oh, I can't wait to go check out some of the amenities here at Old Stone.
Absolutely. Are you ready to go on our tour?
Yeah, let's get going.
This is our restaurant. It's called The View. It is enjoyed by members and non-members of our community, guests of the lodge, that is. People come in here and dine and just enjoy the good camaraderie. This table was actually made from a tree that fell on our course here at the club.
How cool.
This is our Scotty's Bar. It's new to the club. It was built on in 2022. People come in here, or members come and enjoy games, eat, drink, and just enjoy each other's company.
Here at the club, we have a top-of-the-line pro shop where guests and members can come get gear to play golf in.
I love it.
This is our TrackMe machine. Members can come down here and play during the winter months. They have a league, and it was donated actually by the members. This is our 12-room lodge. Guests can come here and stay and play the golf course. Which is fun about this is that there's no room numbers. Each room is based on a Kentucky-based theme. We have 2 golf courses here at the club. Our main course, which you can see around us, and then our par 3 9-hole course.
Old Stone is such a neat community, so many amenities and neat features here. But let's go in and check out the overlook and meet Lisa, the custom home owner and designer. Lisa, thank you so much for having us out to your home. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to be able to show the world all the beautiful design choices you made.
Oh, you're so welcome.
What was it like being able to pick the design of the home and build it from scratch the way you wanted to?
It was a lot of fun. A lot of work, lots of decisions, but I really enjoy that thing.
And how's it different doing a design for yourself versus being an interior designer for someone else?
No one to tell me I don't like that. That was the best part, actually. I kind of knew what I wanted. But then in some instances, it was like, I don't know what I want. So I got a lot of advice from my girls at the store. So.
Oh, that's awesome. What would you say your design style is?
Probably transitional. I like a little bit cleaner lines than at one time I did. Not really traditional, but not really modern either.
What are your favorite design features in the home?
I would have to say this incredible door system that folds all the way back and takes full advantage of this indoor-outdoor living space and the beautiful view of the golf course.
I absolutely love that. And I love the Infinity Edge pool overlooking the golf course. It's just stunning. Thank you so much for joining me today and giving me a tour of your beautiful home. From stunning homes to wonderful countryside living, Old Stone Community has so much to offer. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I'm your host, Melissa Albert, and this is The American Dream.